this is Kyle from Black Hawk Airsofters. Today, I'm going to be doing a shooting test. I think it's a 30-round shooting test because I have an extra magazine for it. I think they said 15 rounds. It's just whatever that is. Anyway, so yeah. Of the C11 Crossman C11 Co2 powered pistol. And let me set this up right here so you guys can see it. Don't know how good that will be, but trust me, you'll be able to see it. So you'll be seeing it. It'll be over here. Okay, that's one clip, or magazine, whichever one you want to see. Okay, it does come with 15 bullets. That's the magazine capacity. Okay, so right here you can see where I got a couple on the outside, but for the most part they're mostly on the inside. This one has a couple of shots in it. See, some of them do come out the back. I don't know if you see that, but this is my mom's shoebox that she just got yesterday, so yeah, for her work shoes. It's really, really cold out here, so yeah. Alright, comment, rate, and thumbs up. Bye.